In this video you will learn how to get your real estate license in Ohio. Before we look at how to become a real estate agent, are you sure a real estate career is right for you? Download our free guide to find out. The link to access the free guide is below this video. Now, let's discover how to become a real estate agent. Real estate agents are in demand across the country. So, becoming a real estate agent in Ohio can be a great career move. In this video, we will show you the steps you need to take to get a real estate license in Ohio. Step 1. Meet the Ohio real estate license requirements. Your first step to get an Ohio real estate license is you need to meet these criteria. Be honest, truthful and of good reputation. Be at least 18 years old. Not have been convicted of a felony or a crime of moral turpitude. Not have violated any civil rights laws regarding real estate within the past 2 years. If you were born after 1950, you need to have a high school diploma or its equivalent is recognized by the Ohio Department of Education. Step 2. Get a background check. Next, you will need to have a complete criminal records check of both state and FBI records. You can find the information on performing a background check on the salesperson examination application. Step 3. Complete the pre-license education requirements. You will need to complete pre-license education as required by the Ohio Division of Real Estate. Here are the courses that need to be completed. Real Estate Principles and Practices, 40 hours. Ohio Real Estate Law, including instruction in civil rights, housing discrimination and desegregation problems, 40 hours. Real Estate Appraisal, 20 hours. Real Estate Finance, 20 hours. We have listed the main school you can use to take each of these courses below this video. Step 4. Take exam prep. Before you take the Ohio Real Estate License exam, it's highly recommended that you get some type of exam prep to help you prepare for the state exam. Look below this video to see the top exam prep programs to help you get ready for the testing. Step 5. Apply to take the Ohio Real Estate License exam. In Ohio, you must qualify to take the Real Estate License exam. This means you need to apply. You will need to complete the salesperson examination application. Be sure to send in the application fee, as well as proof of completion of the education requirements, a copy of official transcripts or course completion certificates. You will mail the completed salesperson examination application with the required documents and a non-refundable check or money order with the current fee, made payable to the Ohio Division of Real Estate, and be sure to send to the address shown on the application. Once the division processes your complete application, your information will be sent to the testing vendor. The testing vendor will process the information and send a candidate information bulletin with instructions on scheduling the exams. Step 6. Take and pass the Ohio Real Estate License exam. The next step to get a real estate license in Ohio is to schedule the state license exam with the testing vendor. You must pass the state and national portions of the Ohio Real Estate Salesperson exam in order for a license to be issued. You will need a score of 70 or more to pass the exam. Step 7. Be sponsored by an Ohio broker. Your last step on your journey to become a real estate agent in Ohio is to find an Ohio real estate broker to sponsor you. The broker you work with will be your mentor and guide as you learn the ropes as a new agent. We hope this video has helped you understand all of the steps required to get an Ohio real estate license. Become a real estate agent within 60 days. The link to access the 60-day guide is below this video. Don't forget to like our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.